ang UB Cardinals sa game number 1 doon sa UC Gymnasium. So, anong masasabi mo, Marlon?
Well, siguro ang titignan natin dito yung factor din, yung crowd, because yesterday they were playing dun sa hostile crowd ng University of the Cordillera. Ngayon, home court advantage ng University of Baguio. Ewan natin kung anong adjustment na gagawin ng kanilang coach para naman hindi ulit silang mamassacre dito sa game number 2.
Okay, so we hope na makakatulong talaga yung 6-man on the part of the UB Cardinals. Another one, kailangan nilang pagtuunan ng pansin yung kanilang disadvantage sa front line. Okay, kahapon yung nangyari, ang ginawa ng UC, they keep on pounding the ball inside. So, no scores yet. With 18:30 remaining, Orduña, nice drop pass to Richard Bilibli.
Problema yung ating mic. But anyway, it's nice to be back. And ito nga, sabi nga ni kasamang Bert, I'm back. And kasamahan ko dito sa game number 2 of the ongoing Baguio Benguet Educational Athletic League. So,
Mangan. Now, Bilibli turning around, getting a foul against Dial. So, usually, sa tagal ng kanyang paglalaro,
supposedly, nasa top condition ka coming into this championship series, Samang Bert?
Yes, of course, no. Tama yan, kasamang Marlon. So,
minutes remaining in this first quarter.
Now, okasyon. From 15, yes.
No problem for okasyon.
Hopefully, no, hindi occasional yung kanyang mga tira.
As okasyon, almost losing the leather. Yun na nga, nakagawan.
And okasyon tries to recover the leather at nagtagumpay sila. And Bilibli scoring freely.
Yes, a nice hustle.
So siguro yun ang magiging ploy dito ng UB Cardinals.
They are not yet in the penalty, only the 4th team foul for the Cardinals, and Bilibli will again troop to the line. Kung nanonood, this is the second game of the best of 3 series between the UB Cardinals and the UC Jaguars, of course. 1 game ahead.
Yes,
it is best of 3.
Yung isang pa nila, andun na sa finals, no? Ganun din, parang ganun ang approach ng mga babae, yung mga women's basketball ng ng UC. Talagang nakita natin. The players will be cautioned na hindi na nila uulitin anuman ang kanilang binabalak.
Ito.
So, rather loob kay Arellano, or rather, yes, Arellano, naagaw. Valdez, nawalang bola. The Washers running. Okasyon against Payas. Labas niya kay Elefante. Fakes for 3. Pumasok, Elefante. Hindi Gores. So, Okasyon off the glass. Hindi pumasok. And Arellano is there for the putback. So, good afternoon dyan sa BCT. Of course, they are one of the coverage sponsors natin, together with University of Baguio.
Orduña!
At ang ganda ng sayaw niya. I think that was a Gangnam Style. Catherine Camilo did not play this year's edition because of some eligibility problems.
Nice fake coming from Elefante as he drains a tray.
And they're up by 2 from Marlon. And the rebound by Arellano. And transition play for the Washers. Oh! Elefante missing. But Philip is there for the putback. And a foul.
53 remaining. We're only in our first half. At lamang na nga po ang UB Cardinals by 4. As nice spin move by Bilibli. And
extra pass
to another Bilibli.
Oo. And of course, binabati rin natin si Tatang Edong, of Say Radio. Andito siya ngayon.
And another good pass for Bilibli.
So, and Dulay missed the high arcing jump shot. Orduña curling around outside to Elefante. Elefante fakes, makes a shot, hindi pumasok. Bilibli nagkipagkagwan sa loob. Bilibli! Oh!
Strong to the basket is Bilibli. Another 3-point play opportunity.
And this will be the biggest lead. Oh, walang depensa. Buti na lang hindi pumasok. And Elefante, Orduña. Back pass. Believe me again! Oh!
Itong si Blip one-on-one plays.
Medyo kanya-kanya na rin sila. So I think Coach Akdong must...
Nice play!
Oh, wala na ring depensa. So ganito rin yung nangyari kahapon, ano? And almost beating the buzzer itong si Olarbal, pero hindi pumasok ang kanyang tira. Nabasan. Okasyon for three. Whoa! And the Uni crowd coming into life. They're up by 13 points. But Basan recovers. 20 seconds remaining in this first half.
So they can opt for the last shot of this first half. The shot clock is off. 12 seconds.
Basan
make
out.
Difficult.
Oh!
So 7.8 seconds remaining.
Nagkakambot kami. Nagsakroan.
Naiiya pa ng konti yung nag-represent sa UB. But nevertheless, it was just for fun for both of these teams.
It's an added attraction, just to give some colors, some more excitement to this series.
It's another 6-point lead for the UB Cardinals after that turnover. As Basan will shoot from beyond the arc and it will drop in.
And that will be the biggest lead. Orduña inside to Billy Blee off the glass.
So itong si Billy Blee continues to play hard.
Kevin Orduña outside to Basan. Elefante can take the three. Now he goes inside over to Billy Blee. Overshoots Billy Blee again. Yes! Dominante ang Garcia. Natapikan ng bola na yung okasyon. Against Olarbal. Orduña inside to Billy Blee. To Catedral. Oh! Or rather Arellano. Easily Arellano.
And the UC Jaguars starting to miss. And Blibli again will score.
So fast break points coming for the UB Cardinals. Now they're up by 11.
Need a lot of those if they want to come back from this ball game. Although they are only down by 9 points. We still have one full quarter remaining. And again, Arellano.
So yun yung mga hinahanap natin. Palagi nating... Although nagmintis ang tira doon. Agawan sa bola. Elefante. Orduña. Yes! And going to their second. Malan! Sinabayan! Ni Billy Blee. And good defense there for the white shirts. Basan. Over to Ocasyon. Wow!
And Ocasyon rising to the
ball upwards.
Pero makikita mo pa rin yung pagmamadali nitong UC Jaguars. They must take it one shot at a time. And
Basan, nagmamadali rin.
They're just down by 12 points. Mahaba pa to, kasamang Bird, 7 minutes remaining. It's an eternity of basketball. Lalo na pag magandang pinapakita ng ating mga teams.
Pero pag ganito rin pinapakita ng UB Cardinals, Galicia is not real as score. Hindi pumasok. And Billy Blee, nakuha ang bola. Ocasyon, na libre. Will there be continuation? Yes. And then, if they can maintain this lead.
Pero hindi natin alam kung gaganapin pa tomorrow or walang schedule pa nung kasamang Bird.
At yung isang supporter ng UB, hinahamon itong si Villanueva.
Well,
pinipikon. One out of two for Billy Blee. They are up by 9 points, 66 to 57. So, hindi nila inisip ng UB Cardinals. They also have the heart of the champions. That they have the ability to come back. They have the ability to turn things around
in their favor. Ayan na nga. And they were able to show it. They are now up by 11 points and
The kind of basketball that we'll be expecting.
at pasok yan ano, counted yun.
Yes.
So 68-62. The UB Cardinals tying up the series sa bukas kasamang Bert.
So yan na yung announcement. Yan na yung announcement. Papalapit na si Tournament Commissioner Sir Danny Soria.